Welcome to this series of webinars and tutorials on the Xultus line of business phone systems. You access preferences by going to the File menu, or on the Macintosh, the Application menu, and select Preferences. And the idea with call handling rules, very powerful and very easy to use in the Xultus phone system. What do you want to do when a call comes in? You can set up rules that will, maybe you want to set up a do not disturb, or you want to have a find me, follow me, or other rules in here. And these are going to apply rules that are going to come in when you get a phone call. A little bit about the structure here. There's really three areas that you're going to program. What's the event you want this to apply to? What are the conditions you want to apply to that event? And then what are the actions you're going to want to do? So in this case, it's going to be a do not disturb rule. So on any incoming call, when my presence is set for, say, in a meeting. When I'm in a meeting, I want this to be active, and I'm going to forward to voicemail. Xultus phone systems can have an active greeting, and you can pre-record up to 4 different pre-recorded greetings, and you can specify a greeting. So you could specify a greeting, for example, for this rule, the message could be, sorry, I'm in a meeting right now, I will call you back as soon as I can. And that's how you set up a do not disturb rule. I want to talk about a couple of other options that we have here. So let's say we want this rule to only be applied to the normal business hours of our business. So I can specify days of the week. So just Monday, the regular days of the week, whatever your week schedule is, and maybe even time of day. So I can specify the time of day here. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 p.m. And we have some more choices here, for example, that we can do this as well. We'll keep it simple here from 8 to 5. This rule is going to be applied. When any incoming call comes in and my presence is set in a meeting, it's just going to go right to my active greeting and not even ring my phone. So there's a do not disturb rule. Another common rule you might want to set up is a find me, follow me. So this is going to be a find me rule. Now in this case, you probably want to set it up that if I don't answer the phone after a certain number of seconds, and I'll give myself say 15 seconds, but you have choices here, I'm going to do a find me, follow me. If I don't answer my desk phone after that period of time, I can go ahead and click here, specify the targets. You can specify up to 4 different phone numbers the system will try and find you at. I could specify more, but I'm going to leave this here for now, and I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. If I don't answer my phone in 15 seconds, it's now going to start dialing this number or the multiple numbers. And then you can have it for a number of seconds. You can give it a chance for you to answer. And you can either connect immediately, or we have a very powerful ask you before connecting. So if you set ask you for connecting, the system will call you. Do you want to receive that call? You'll answer affirmatively or negatively. If you answer affirmatively, you'll get the call. If you answer negatively, or maybe you don't get to answer your cell phone in time, you don't want the message to be in your cell phone's voicemail message, you want it to go back into the phone system's message. So we can then forward to voicemail. Again, you can specify the greeting that you have, and you can provide updates to the caller while it's searching for you. So this is a very simple find me, follow me rule. Again, we can also specify date ranges, time of days. We can also specify things like call from. So maybe you want to apply this rule for specific people. You could click call from, and here you can go ahead now and specify the number of, the number for calls, or you do any internal call or any external call. So now when that person calls, it'll apply this rule. So this is a find me, follow me rule. So another good example of a call handling rule would be a vacation message. So just like you have on your email, perhaps, you can set up your phone to be able to respond to a vacation message for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click new here. This will be a vacation rule. On any incoming call, and here what I want to do is a date range. So I'm going to be on vacation from say June 1st to June 14th, whatever the date range is here. So now I've gone ahead and set a date range, and what I want to do is send it to a greeting, and I'd probably want to record one of the greetings that says that I'm on vacation, and if you need help, contact somebody else at the company. So here I've specified a vacation greeting, and now it's ready to go. So we have a few call handling rules that we've created here. They're checked, they're active, working, and then when you don't need them anymore, but you don't want to get rid of them, you can go ahead and disable it. So let's say that you're back from your vacation, you can just uncheck this rule, click apply. The rule is still here, so you can go back and modify it if you like by just clicking the checkbox and clicking apply. So now I have saved my preference settings and I'm ready to continue to use MXIE. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Check out our other tutorials at Xeltis.com.